Welcome Year 10. This is a quick video to show you how to download or to access Python at home. The first stage is to go to the Python website, python.org/downloads. Choose the latest version of Python. When it downloads, it's a simple installation. Click install. The only thing to note is to make sure you install it for all users. So when you launch the installer, Python will ask you for two options. Choose the customize installation, accept the defaults, especially for all user. Next, accept that and install. I'm not going to install because it's on my machine. Your second option, if you don't want to install it, or you're in a Chromebook or a tablet, etc., you can use Google's Codelab. There's the URL. We can go to that, and this allows us to create online Python files. It's pretty straightforward. You just click new, a new notebook, give it a name, and it will automatically be saved in your Google Drive folder. So I'm going to choose a new notebook. And this behaves just like a Python editor. So it's loaded. The first thing I'll do is give it a name. Let's test. And you can start coding. Type in your commands, hit run, and the file will execute on screen. And eventually this should compile and execute. And the output will appear here below it. There we go. And note that in my Google Drive, this will be saved in the folder called my Codelab Notebooks. Somewhere in here we should see the file test. There we go. And that's Year 10 is how we can access and create Python files at home.